Good day. I want to give you some instructions for today's third group activity in the Jesus module, hexagonal thinking. Wowzers, this is going to be exciting. So, what hexagonal thinking is it's a visual organizer that helps you to digest a large amount of material and to make better sense of it. And so, what I want us to focus on is that for this Jesus module, you're given all kinds of terms. And my hope is that working together with your partners, you can come to a better understanding of which terms you understand and which ones you don't in preparation for the test and the project, and then also see how these terms fit together. So basically what's going to happen is that each group's going to be assigned a web of hexagons. You can see here a list of words and then some connection arrows. And then the second slide they're going to have is going to be a list of explanations. So what you want to do is you want to first think about you're going to each term will get a hexagon, and then what you want to do is any term. So let's just say it's not going to work for me. You put hand-me-down religion here. Then you have to decide which of these other terms relate or connect to hand-me-down religion. You put it right next to each other, and you can arrange these hexagons in any order that you want. Then obviously each hexagon can connect to as many as 6 other terms, thus hexagon. Then what you do is you're gonna debate, you're gonna argue, and what you want to do is you want to look through this Google slide, the previous topics we've talked about, for evidence to explain why you think your connection is stronger. Then once you all are able to settle on some web of hexagons that you think is the strongest, then what you do is you pick what do you think are the four most important connections. Say you think this one to this hexagon, you'd put an arrow by that one and point to it, and then you'd go down to connection 1 and you'd explain why you think that is an important connection. So when you're finished, you should have a web of hexagons, and then you should have an explanation with your 4 strongest, and then hopefully you'll have a better understanding of which terms you get and don't get and how they relate to each other.